guys, it's Kat and welcome back. So I'm currently sitting on the floor of my very messy bedroom. Today I want to take you through the routine that I do when I feel like my room is just too much to handle kind of, and I'm pretty overwhelmed about it. And this is the step-by-step process that I will take to feel like it's more manageable and that I can actually get it done and not dread it and actually kind of enjoy it. Now, an important note, I'm not going to be able to clean the entire room in this one session. I mean, you'll see the whole cleaning in this video, but as far as like, I have like an hour right now to clean and then I have some other stuff I have to go do. And at first I was kind of like, you know what, maybe I'll just wait to film it till clean it until I can film the entire thing. But as you'll see, it's very messy and I didn't want to have to wait for that. So I decided that I would go ahead and get started. And I feel like that's an important note to tell you guys as well. Like, if you ever feel like you don't have time to clean your entire room all at once, that's okay. You can still do piece by piece. Say you only have 10 minutes, do whatever you can in 10 minutes, because then when you do come back to it later on, you'll already have a chunk of it done. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna take you through each part of however long it takes me, probably over a couple days to be honest, but that's okay because we're gonna get it done. You can see everything is just a mess. There's stuff everywhere. If you didn't know, I was recently in Australia for 2.5 weeks and I have not unpacked anything. It's been like a week since I got back, a little less than a week since I got back, but I have just kind of been living out of this because as soon as I came back, I was trying to recover from jet lag and then I had to go back to work. So haven't had much time, but that's what we're tackling right now. Here's a view from my closet. And yes, I do have a light over there to kind of make everything a little brighter. And as you can see, I did my makeup this morning, but I just kind of left everything out. So I have to go through all of that as well. Really quick and easy, but I did notice that my dresser drawers were open and closing those is a really easy step to make it look a little bit cleaner right off the bat. So I did that. And then of course, y'all can probably guess, I'm gonna go make my bed. And this is also great because it'll give me a surface to fold all of my clothes on and organize those so that I can put them away. Okay, so next we're going to take care of whatever the most intimidating part of cleaning your room is for that specific time. Clearly for me, it's the clothes since I was away for 2.5 weeks and I packed for like a month because I overpacked like in an insane amount. It was kind of ridiculous, but whatever. Now I got to unpack and it's going to take a while. I'm first going around and taking all of the dirty clothes and putting them in my hamper. I used this little section when I was away to put all my dirty clothes. I just got my first interruption. My mom came to stop by and she brought a special guest. So we got to take a break from cleaning. I got, you know, some stuff done. She got here earlier than I thought, but let's go say hi. Hi, Ricky. Hello. Hi. I wanted to see him walk in. Oh. Hello.
Hello. I like smell.
Ricky. Okay. Oh, he's like, I'm just gonna plop down right here. We're back to cleaning and now I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt because I was cold. And now I am folding them. I decided to do it in 2 parts instead of folding all of my clothes at once just because there's so many. It was a little bit too overwhelming and I wouldn't have even had enough room on my bed to put everything. So first I'm doing this little section and I'll put all of that back in my closet and then a little later on we'll go back and fold everything else that's in my suitcase. And my go-to method for this is making sure all of my clothes are folded into piles on my bed that correspond to where they're going to be put away. So whatever drawer, whatever part of my closet, and then it's super quick to put everything back in its place. And here's a little preview of my closet. I do want to do an entire how I organize and keep my closet clutter-free video, but I just haven't had time to figure that out and create a solid method yet. So once I do, I will definitely make a video all about that. Okay, so now you can see it's starting to look better. I do still have this entire suitcase of clothing, but I think I'm gonna wait to do that till I have a few more things done. I know I said that I was gonna get all of the clothing done first, but it's kind of stressing me out to have all of these little things like shoes and all of that stuff kind of just lying around. So I wanna get all of that organized first. I think it's important, of course, when you're cleaning to push yourself and motivate yourself to keep going, even if you don't feel like it. But I also think it's important to listen to yourself. And if you really don't feel like doing one task, but you do kind of feel like doing another task, even if it's not in the same same order of your normal routine, it's totally fine. Just do whatever you're motivated to do. Like for me, normally I'll take care of all of the clothes first and then go to the floor, but today I just really felt like taking care of the floor first, and that's totally okay. You can switch it up. It doesn't have to be exact every single time. As long as you're staying motivated and actually getting it done, that's what's important. Okay, so now we're on to the next day. I did not have time the previous day to keep cleaning. So this morning before I went to work, I went ahead and folded all of the remaining clothes from my big suitcase. And then I'm just zipping that up, putting it back in my closet, and now I can start putting all my clothes away. And it was such a good feeling once all of my clothes were actually put away and organized. It was really nice. And I had brought a bunch of summer clothes with me to Australia because obviously it's summertime over there, but it's like 30 degrees Fahrenheit here, so I will not be wearing a dress or a tank top anytime soon. So I put those in my summer clothing bin, and then I just put all my sweatshirts back on the shelf. Hi guys, so it's now Saturday morning. This process has been over 3 days. Yesterday and Thursday I did it before and after work, and today we're doing it in the middle of the day because it's Saturday, obviously. If you can tell I look a little different, it's because I put self tanner on like an hour ago. So I gotta like wear this for another 6 hours, which will be fun. But you know, I wanna be tan, I do it to be tan. Now, obviously when you clean your room over a couple days, you're gonna have a few more things that accumulate over time. Obviously it's like 2 things on the floor, not a big deal. So we just gotta pick that stuff up. And then the big thing that I have not tackled yet is cleaning off my vanity and like getting rid of that trash and all of that. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, so the first thing today, I'm just picking up like the 2 or 3 things that were on the floor, and then I'm heading over to my dresser top and making sure that everything that's on there is put away, and then it's time to go over to my vanity. As you can see, very messy. The past few days when I've been doing my makeup, it's just a disaster, but I'm putting stuff back in the drawer. If you were curious, this is from IKEA. I'll have a link down below if you're interested, but I tried to use a makeup wipe to clean out my makeup organizer, but it wasn't really working because that makeup has been there for a while. I have not cleaned it recently, so I ended up having to use my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. And then I just like using a makeup wipe remover to wipe down any items of makeup that are a little messy, dirty, have some makeup on them. I find that that is super easy and quick to do, but it does make a big difference. Then I just threw any trash away. I took the products that should be in my bathroom and put those back. And then this book Tim is reading, so I just leave it on his side of the bed, put my jewelry away, emptied the trash can, and then it's on to my favorite part. If y'all are new, you probably haven't heard me talk about it, but I am obsessed with this Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. It's all natural, it's cruelty-free, and it smells super duper good. There's so many different scents. So not sponsored, I just talk about it in every cleaning video because I love it so much. So I use that to wipe down my makeup table, and then I am also using it on my dresser. And finally, I'm just cleaning off my nightstand and moving my light into the other room just because, you know, I don't need it in my bedroom right now. I was using it to film, but now I'm good. So move that out of my room. And here's my finished room. I know everything still looks so bland because I still need to put a mirror up there. I need to hang this picture up on that wall. Like I need more color in here. That's what's stressing me out. I need to get like a bright comforter or something and like something colorful on that wall, a mirror put up here. It's too bland for me. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Ignore that box. I'm still unpacking. If you watched until this part, comment moving is a process because it's a process. Also, I am going to be doing a spring cleaning series in April, so let me know any requests for that in the comments below. And I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.